Take it from here, the second one. I think probably the most important of all. So there are people that try to stay in their comfort zone at all times. And when you stay in your comfort zone, you don't evolve. And typically, growth always happens, either because you go and look for things that make you feel uncomfortable, or you can't prevent things from happening that make you feel uncomfortable. So rather than waiting to be thrown into a situation where you have no choice but to grow, go on the lookout for things that make you feel vulnerable, that make you feel uncomfortable. Like me sitting on the stage. I remember at University of St. Gallen, I took a public speaking course, and in the exam, my lips were kind of stuck together. I was red, I was sweating. And if I would have always escaped the moments of public speaking, I would have never achieved what I've achieved. Jump into the uncomfortable, jump into the unknown, and grow. And that is what makes founders really unique.